Hi, welcome to the Creative Kitchen. This video will show you how to set up for a set install, specifically a stage right and a stage left, which typically gets installed on the day prior to the center stage. For example, on a Wednesday afternoon between 1 and 4 p.m., we will install stage right and stage left of a set, and the following day on Thursday a.m. between 10 a.m. and usually 3 to 4 p.m. we install the center stage structure, which is the larger of the two. So now I'm removing the picture and now showing you the real items. And as according to the picture, you have your 1/4-inch screws. Obviously there's some mixture in there, which we try to avoid, but if it happens, you just want to pick out the screws for the brackets that are only the small guys. These little ones here. And if you happen to notice, by the way, that the head of the screw is stripped out, well, we just go ahead and get rid of that altogether. We throw it away. No need to use screws that are stripped out. Moving over, we have a bucket of 1 1/4. You have a bucket of 1 5/8, and then you have a small little tub here of 2 inches. That's for the bucket braces. You definitely want to start off with 2 drills, and I'd go so far as to include a battery pack and an extra battery. We don't want to run out of juice on the stage and have to go all the way back to the other end of the building for a battery. It's good to always take a tape measure. You never know when you're going to need to measure something out. And moving down to our second deck, you have the 2 bar clamps, a hammer, and the entire box of panel clamps. And these panel clamps also have little A brackets as needed. There's some L brackets in there if needed, and then you'll definitely need these little flat braces here for the end caps. So, and extensions. The lower level shows 2 ladders. You're definitely going to need 2 ladders. It's a good idea to take the black ladder and also the purple ladder. The purple ladder, I believe, is an 8-footer. The black ladder is a 6-footer, and you're going to need both. You'll see between those, I put the 3 1x10 or 1x3x10s. You're definitely going to need those. You'll use one of these 1x3x10s for the single door, and you'll use the other 2 for the double door unit. And those can be also put on the panel cart if you're taking down the panels, but this video will be a good reference. If you have all of these items, then you can be assured you're set up to install a stage right and a stage left with the tools and equipment on this cart.